day, my esteemed member of Bliss. My name is Joshua Oyekami Abidemi. I'm here to represent a team from Abijos, a consulting firm from Nigeria, and I'm happy to discuss with you a topic that I title the future of artificial intelligence in healthcare technology and its potential impact on your home business. My presentation will be covering the following topic. Number one, understanding artificial intelligence facilitated healthcare technology. I'll be defining and telling you the impact of this on your business, on the Bliss business. Number two, why AI in healthcare. I'll be discussing why this technology should highly be prioritized for Bliss and its good fit for your business model. Number three, the growth and competitive advantage. What growth and competitive advantage did AI have on Bliss investment as at now, and the future benefits that Bliss can get from this and its competitive advantage in the market. The next step, I'll be telling you about the technology roadmap. I'll also provide a roadmap for the next step should you follow this product and you want to dive into it. And lastly, I'll be discussing the vendor that Abijos will be presenting to you to get to assist in any form that you might require them should you agree on this my proposal. Why AI? Why do we need AI? So we need to understand the technology and what is the AI facilitated health technology. All this we need to understand. Why the AI? In 2019, during the COVID-19 pandemic, there was a lot of issues in the world at that particular time. Then the World Economic Forum actually ironed the gap that exists, or the deficiency that exists in healthcare, and how the hospital were overwhelmed because of lack of equipment and the sudden pandemic that happened. AI facilitated healthcare. The history was dated back to 2019. So during this period, there was initiative of AI for PEP, where government and academic push for AI and machine learning in healthcare. What do they try to achieve at that particular time? The anticipated pandemic and how to sustain the system in healthcare. AI healthcare integrates both AI and machine learning to enhance and reduce waiting time to aid development in every nation. And I believe if you can buy into this idea, it will place you high among your competitors, and Bliss will be a reference point for all the healthcare sector in this country. Does the technology directly impact our product and value proposition, or it supports technology? I would like to stress for Bliss that AI assists healthcare technology is more just than a tool for support. It is just a center of product and prepositioned value. So why artificial intelligence in healthcare? Why is it important to involve or to embrace artificial intelligence in healthcare? The first reason was that artificial intelligence facilitates healthcare as potential to revolutionize patient care in a seamless process and create innovative service. Apart from that, it enhances decision making through data analysis, leading to cost-safe and effective resources utilization. So, in other words, by investing in AI, Bliss can differentiate itself from other healthcare in their personalized healthcare solution, like AI enabled surgical equipment and tremendous system control. Bliss can consider AI facilitated healthcare to be of great importance for several reasons. Firstly, the patient will receive prompt health care. It will save the patient's time. Secondly, have ability to process more efficient, result in important savings of time. It will save life. It will save resources. Finally, investing in AI, Bliss has potential to distinguish herself from competitors by providing groundbreaking such as surgical equipment with AI technology system. This is not only about staying updated with the latest fashion, but also being able to get a reputable name in healthcare and advanced technology, which everybody will be eager to get. Why AI facilitated health technology is good fit for Bliss. AI enhanced align perfectly with Bliss business model. So we have already studied your business and we discovered that with the kind of growth you want for your business, the AI is the only solution to enhance it, and your capacity in surgical procedure can only be improved when you are using AI. It will leverage Bliss existing strengths such as skilled workforce to deliver personalized, efficient, innovative healthcare solution. The technology is a good fit for your business at Bliss because it allows you to differentiate yourself from the competitive market and meet evolving need of healthcare industry. Long-term impact of AI investment on Bliss growth. We are not looking at the short time alone, but we are looking at the long term. Have you asked yourself what is the long-term impact of this AI in the health world for today? And I will tell you, let me explain this. What will be the long-term impact of AI investment on Bliss? The first one is that Bliss will be a record name. They will be an industrial leader. In this case, when you invest on AI facilitated healthcare, you are going to be an investment leader, which every health business, every health sector will be making a reference to, because you have an equipment that they do not have. Continuous innovation will keep Bliss ahead in healthcare. AI-driven customer, AI-driven customer base expansion and enter new market. You will have an expansion in your customer and you'll be able to exploit the new market. Apart from that, the revenue growth, every business are involved in that business or assist in that business because of the revenue. The revenue growth and the talent attraction, as lot of talent will want to work with Bliss, and investors, it will appeal to an investor will come. There will be revenue growth, you have lot of talent, and investor will come, thereby affect positively the standard of living for all the staff. It will affect the staff welfare as well. These and many more are the important or the long-term impact of AI investment in Bliss. How do Bliss implement artificial intelligence competitive advantage? So when Bliss is operating with AI, number one, it will reduce the turnaround time for the customer. Number two, the customer base will increase, thereby when the customer base increase, the profitability level will increase as well, thereby making give blazing light and hedge to lower the cost, which competitors will not be able to meet up because they don't have the equipment. When the cost is being lower, when the cost is being reduced, it will be very difficult for competitors to meet up with, thereby it will have an impact, positive impact on Bliss business, whereby affect the competitors business. So how do you select your vendor? The role of Abijos, the vendor selection. Number one, before you select your vendor, knowing your need. The vendor must have these five capacity. Number one, they must know your need. Number two, market research. They must be able to do a market research for you. Number three, evaluation. They must be able to evaluate the situation on ground. Shortlisting. Here we work on who is qualified, what each vendor can actually deliver to Bliss will be worked on. So, and finally, we will select a good vendor that will be partnering with the company anytime the company needs and help. So we need to evaluate, and before we can select the vendor, what are the factors that we need to consider? The technical capacity, we need to consider the vendor experience, we need to consider the financial stability of the vendor, customer review on that vendor, and capability. When we do this, we'll be able to advise Bliss on the proper vendor to use and the one not to use. As I have explained this in details. In conclusion, I want to appreciate everybody for listening to this discussion. I've been able to summarize how important artificial intelligence is when it comes to Bliss business, how it can be of assistance to your business, how it can improve your business, the roadmap to be maintained, to be implemented for this particular project. We also emphasize that our company, Abijos, how we can be of help to your company in the area of the vendor selection and in other services. I thank you all I appreciate your patience and your time, and I'm now available for any query or any question you may have for me. Thank you.